Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a Beebee craft. It's unboxing, unpacking. And I am doing the Beebee Craft YouTube program. And you can do the YouTube program too if you have over 100 subscribers. You have to do at least 3 videos, and your first video is your unboxing. And then you do 2 videos where you do something with the products that you choose. So you get to choose the products that you get to receive. And in the description box, I will also have a code that you can use to get $5 off on any of your orders that are over $40. So this is the products that I chose. So let's get started. I had to open it because I didn't know who it was from. So these are the products that I chose. So I chose these beautiful laces, and there are lots of different colors. They're so pretty. Here is like a dusty pink, a yellow. Here is a brown, a black, and I don't have hardly any black at all, and I needed that. A white, a light blue or aqua blue, orange, pink, red, a real light dusty pink, that's pretty there. A light green, I like that. That is like a navy blue, an off-white, a purple, a hot pink, my daughter would love that, a gray, a light gray, and then a darker gray. You can see the difference. Then a lavender or lilac, and then like a real light green, and then like another pink color. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 colors. And I'll get one out so you can see the pattern of it. I hope you all are doing well. Okay, here is the pattern. It's like a floral pattern. And this is how long it is. So it's very pretty lace, and it's sort of thick like too. It's not a real thin lace. So it's very pretty pattern. So that is one of the items that I chose. And there's 20 different colors. Let's see if I can get it back in the pack. That way it doesn't get dusty or anything. And this is the other thing that I ordered. Okay. I have been seeing everyone with these, and I have been wanting one for so long. I love them. And of course, you all know what I had to choose. But it's a cross. Because I love crosses. And it is the wax seal stamp. And this is the seal. And I had to choose the cross. I love crosses. Crosses are my favorite. And then I ordered the kit to get me started on. It comes packed very good where nothing gets broken. Then I got the kit, so your tea light candles, which you can buy those anywhere, but it comes with a pack of 1, 2, 3, 4. Comes with a pack of 4. And then it comes with a holder that's made from wood and then like some kind of metal at the top. So you light your candle here. You light your candle, then you place this on top. And then here is your spoon that you put your wax in. And then it just fits there. And you hold it to melt your wax. And then I got all of these different colors of little wax pellets. There's a green, a pink, black, white, yellow, there's a brown, a gold, a copper, looks like. So yeah, I'm excited to use this. I can't wait. So we will be doing some makes with some of this. I'll pour some out into my hand so you can see them better. They're made like little stars. And it's just candle wax. That blue I think would be very pretty. That dark blue as a wax seal. And then that green, gold. There's like a peachy off-white maybe. And a sea green, like an ocean sea green. There's like a hot pink, a white. There's a black. So yeah, I can't wait to make some things with you. So that is what I got from Beebee Crafts. So go and I will have in the description box their website where you can go and order their products. And I have a $5 code. It is the letter B as in boy, another B as in boy, C as in cat, 0512. So it's BBC 0512. And it's $5 on orders over $40. And then if you have a YouTube channel, make sure you go and check out the YouTube program. If you have over 100 subscribers, then you can order products and get free products. And you choose the products that you want. They don't choose them for you. You get to choose yourself. And you do 3 videos, which they want you to do 1 video per week to show what you're going to do with your products. So it's a great program. So I encourage you to go check out Beebee Craft. I will have I'll have all this in the description box below my video. And go check out Beebee Craft. So I hope you all are doing well. Hope you all are getting some crafting done. Hope you all are having a great day. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Welcome to my channel. I appreciate you all so very much. And to my current subscribers, thank you so much for staying with me and putting up with me. And I hope you all are doing your happiness each day, smiling each day, spreading your happiness, spreading your smiles all across your towns, your neighborhoods, your counties, your states, all across the world, because we need happiness all across the world. And I hope y'all are staying well. And I hope y'all are enjoying your summer. So I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.